Hi all, I have shipped two updates to CrawlChat. First one is about customizing the chatbot, the web-based embed chatbot. So here you can see there's a new tab now, Customize. So you can customize the button and the chatbot, and you can customize so many things. Welcome message, this one. You can customize the quick questions, and you can customize this placeholder. And here you can customize so many things. So let me show the basic one. So you can customize the colors. So earlier it was only the button that you can customize, but now I gave this option where you can apply that to the chatbot as well. So you can pick the background color and the text color, for example, let's say something like this. And yeah, it will show wherever applicable. You can preview this screen, or you can preview the chart screen where it shows the sources and everything. So I changed few minor things. The way I show the sources is here now. Earlier it used to come at the bottom. I think this is far better, very subtle, and gives very good feel. So I added few more options like copying the answer and regenerating the answer if it is required. So that's the first update. Second one is even more interesting. So so if I go to messages, for example, where I can see all the messages that people are having conversation with the bot from different channels like Chatbot, Discord, Slack, MCPs, right? So there are so many messages. So very often what happens is people are asking something very relevant to your context, but there is no documentation for it. So that's a data gap in your knowledge base. So I recently added a feature where it identifies the data gaps. For example, if I go to data gaps, here it identified few data gaps in last, I think 12 hours. So for example, here, if you look at this particular thing, someone asked something about very specific, very technical detail about remotion, I guess. So it says there is missing documentation for multipass shader. And this one, if you see, it looks like there is no enough information about PDF export option from remotion. This is remotion's dashboard. So looks like a lot of people are asking about this feature, but there is no documentation for it. So it is good to go, add how you can export to PDF. If it is possible, how to do so. If not possible, what is the alternative? So this is like very first iteration. Here you can copy this message, and of the app you can produce content and add it back to this one, or as a documentation page on your own site. So if it is false positive, you can just click delete, or if it is like done acting on this particular data gap, you can mark done so that it is gone from the list. So I will show one thing. For example, if you look at this one, let me open the message which triggered this data gap. So here, if you look at this message, this is, if I'm not wrong, is a Korean language. So this is the beauty of AI chatbot for the documentation. Like, it understands the language and it answered it, and also it it triggered the data gap alert so that you can add you can fill the data. So this is like the entire workflow that I'm trying to solve with CrawlChat. Add your knowledge base, embed the chatbot into multiple channels, web page, Discord, Slack, MCP, whatever it is, and then 24/7 it helps your community, customers, or clients to get help, and also it identifies data gaps so that you can make your documentation better and make sure that it is relevant to what they are asking. So I'm pretty excited about it. Like, this is very first version. I'll keep iterating on it, and yeah, looking forward.